Kid Tori. I'm checking in live out in South Texas. What we're seeing is all the ice that came in, and then all of a sudden, after days, the sun decides to come out while the temperatures remain below